Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will show you how to factor the quadratic expression. So now let's start with the first example. So if I have x squared plus 7x plus 10. So you need to find two factors. It means you need to find two numbers that multiply it and equal 10 and add up to 7. So 10 we can write 1 and 10 and 2 and 5, -1 and -10. Okay, -2 and -5. But now let's check which pair that add up to 7. So now you see that 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is the two number that we are looking for. So this expression become to x plus 2 and x plus 5. Okay. So let's try to another example. So if I have x squared plus 7x plus 12. So now 12, we can find it by listing the factor pair of 12 is 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And now we can find it because 3 plus 4 is equal 7. So 3 and 4, this is the two number that we are looking for. So now this expression become to x plus 3 and x plus 4. Okay, so move to another example. If I have x squared plus 8x plus 15. So now find two numbers that multiply equal 15 and add up to 8. Now 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 and it's also add up to 8. So now we don't need to find another pair because we can find it for the first pair. Okay, so in its expression become to 8 plus 3 and 8 plus 5. Okay, so now let's try another example. If I have x squared plus 10x plus 21. So 21, I can write listing the factor pair of 21 is 1 and 21 and also 3 and 7. But you see, 3 and 7 add up to 10. So now two number that we are looking for is 3 and 7. We don't need to listing another pair. Okay, so our expression becomes to 8 plus 3 and 8 plus 7. Okay, so now let's try another exercise. If I have x squared plus 8x plus 12. So now listing the factor pair, 12 is 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, and the negative is -1 and -12, -2 and -6, -3 and -4. But two factor that add up to 8 is 2 and 6 because 2 plus 6 is equal 8. So now our expression become to 8 plus 2 and 8 plus 6. Okay, so let's move to another example. If I have y squared plus 12y plus 35. So now 35, I can find the factor pair is 1 and 35 or 7 and 5. Okay, you see that 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is equal 12. So now this is the true number that we are looking for. So our expression become x minus, oh sorry, x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 5. Okay. So now let's try another example. If I have a square minus 3a minus 10. So this expression, you need to find two numbers that multiply it equal negative 10 and add up to negative 3. So now let's find it with me. Okay, so 1 multiplied by negative 10 is negative 10. Okay, 2 and negative 5. And another pair is negative 1 and 10 and negative 2 and 5. So two pair that add up and equal negative 3 is 2 and negative 5. So our expression, we can write it as the two factor is x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 5. Okay. So now let's move to another example. So if I have a square minus a and minus 12. So you need to find two numbers that multiply it equal negative 12 and add up equal negative 1. So 1 and negative 12, 2 and negative 6, 3 and negative 4, and another pair is negative 1 and 12, negative 2 and 6, negative 3 and 4. Now find which pair that add up to negative 1. Yes, this is this pair because 3 plus negative 4 is equal negative 1. So our expression become x plus 3 and x minus 4. So now move to another example. So if I have a square plus a and minus 6. So feel free to pause this video and you can do it by yourself. After you do it, you can continue watching my video. So now let's find two factor pair. Okay, so 1 and negative 6, 2 and 3. And another pair is negative 1 and 6. Okay, and negative 2 and 3. Now find which pair that add up to positive 1. This is the pair that add up to 1. Okay, so our expression become x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. Okay, so let's try another example. If I have x square minus 8x plus 16. So now 16 we can write 1 and 16, 2 and 8, 4 and 4. And you can change sign of our factor is negative 1 and negative 6, negative 2 and negative 8, negative 4 and negative 4. So now let's find which pair that add up to negative 8. Yeah, this is the last pair. It's negative 4 and negative 4 because negative 4 and negative 4 is negative 8. So our expression become x minus 4 and x minus 4. Okay, so let's move to another example. So if I have x square minus x and minus 20. So the factor pair of negative 20 is 1 and negative 20, or 2 and negative 10, 4 and negative 5, and the other pair is negative 1 and 12, negative 2 and 10, negative 4 and 5. So which pair? Which pair? Yes, this is the pair, the vector pair that satisfy our condition. If we call 4 plus negative 5 is negative 1. So our expression become x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 5. Okay, so I hope you understand it, and see you in the next video. In the next video, I will create the how to factor quadratic expression with the coefficient of x square is not 1. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.